Hello viewers, now I'm going to discuss about area path tool. What is area path tool? Let's just drag it or click something. Oops, what is coming? You must click on a non-compound, non-masking path to create text inside a path. What's actually this? If you guys are not understanding anything, I'm here for you. Let's just go to the rectangle. I'm going to make some shape. I'm going to give it some shape. Let's just black color, okay? And the ellipse tool, I'm going to make another thing, and let's just go to the polygon tool. It just should be, well, I'm going to take it. So what I'm going to do is now, obviously you have curious, eagerly want to know what I'm going to do until now. Okay, let's just come over the area tool, and here the cursor as like still it's not working. Why it's not working? You just have to know, because before this the corner side you have to start typing. If you just click here, it will just come. Oops. And if you just come over the corner side, it will just start, and from the corner side it will just happen. This is how the area type tool actually work. Like the shape is making, the text is making a shape as I have input a shape over here, okay? And now what you need to do, you may change the color, you may change the size of it. Let's just make a size 14 is okay here. Well, I just want to make the color change. Let's just make it blue, and let's just change the color of it pinkish. And here I'm going to change the color another thing. It should be violet. Okay, so you can see how our area type tool is work. So this is how it actually works. In the next video I'm going to discuss about type on a path tool.